This is the It Was Always You Light Up Letter Kit, and if you want to create a romantic setup that looks like you spent hours planning but actually just takes a few minutes, this is a super fun idea. The brand sent this over to me so I could try it out and show you all how it works and share my thoughts. First off, it comes with everything you need to pull off a gorgeous surprise or add a romantic touch to any celebration, proposals, anniversaries, or even a date night setup at home. The kit includes their Luminary paper bags, each with a cutout letter that glows really beautifully when lit. It also includes heart-shaped flameless tea candles for every bag, no batteries or outlet needed, and you get a bunch extra for your setup and a huge amount of rose petals in red and pink. I am not kidding when I say there are thousands of them. They have a ton of other messages to choose from too, including custom, so you can personalize it for any occasion. Setup could not be any easier. The bags come already organized in order, so you just line them up, drop in the candles, and scatter the petals. The bags themselves are really thick and high quality. They feel really sturdy and they're not going to rip. And they have this soft light diffusion that gives the glow a warm, romantic look. Everything about this kit makes it simple to create a beautiful moment, and it's really made for anyone to be able to use. So if you're looking for a romantic way to surprise someone or decorate for a special night, this is such an easy, stunning option.